Labor Day, y'all. Wonder how many of us will be working on Labor Day. I bet we will. All right. Do I have something good for y'all for Labor Day? This was in Cooking with Paula Deen magazine. And this is perfect for you to serve on Labor Day. Now, I'm starting with some butter. And you see corn here in my bucket. So I'm making gosh, I've already forgot the word for my butters that I make. Compound butters. So I'm going to roast this corn in the oven, y'all. And we'll shuck it. And that silk will just get it right on out. But before we put it in the oven, I'm going to make the compound butter. And I've got 1 stick of butter, parsley. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of honey. So I bet y'all can already guess what we're going to do with this butter. Now, if you're trying to keep all your cooking to the outside, you can do this on your grill too. All right, so that's 2 tablespoons. And this is some salt. And this is some cayenne pepper. Now, it calls for 1/2 teaspoon, y'all, but I might just lower that a little bit because I don't know what chilling will be. I'm putting like 1/4 teaspoon in there. We can always add more once we get it done. I should have sprayed that measuring thing. I just adore making compound butters. And you can make them sweet or savory. And you can wrap them up in an oblong shape like it comes in, like the butter comes in. And put it in the freezer. And it's like wonderful to have to put on like fish or chicken or even ribs and butt, Boston butts. Just depends on, you know, what flavor. If you want to use some on pork, you know, I would do like the chili and the cumin and things like that to the butter that you associate with pork. Okay, so we're going to just stick this in the refrigerator. And I'm going to put the corn in the oven. I think 350. I can't remember.
Corn goes at 400.
400, okay, for about 40 minutes. And then we'll lather it with our good. Okay, y'all, now I cooked the corn for about 30, 35 minutes. But remember, I cook with a professional oven, a professional restaurant oven. So it cooks faster. So I'm buttering that beautiful corn with our compound butter that we made a little while ago. And I think the original recipe said to pull the husk back and tie them back and then cook it that way. But I prefer, I have just found over the years, that I prefer leaving the husk on. That way it keeps the corn moist. So that silk will just come right on out just like that. Just like that. I wish I had one more of these gloves. We need to see. I got this one from my Aunt Peggy. And I just love it. I mean, you can touch anything with it and it doesn't hurt. All right, now I'm going to come in here. And I'm going to cut most of that cob off. And like I said, you can cook this on the grill now if you choose to. I think I about cut that one too short. But it's all right. It's all right. All right, so here we go again. And if you need to warm it back up, you can put this back in the oven and roast it a little bit longer. And that'll keep it warm. So that's how you do it, kiddos. All right, I think I have earned a taste. All right, let's see. Y'all, this is got a little flack of that red pepper. We use nothing but, if we can help it, white silver queen corn. And it's white. And from what I understand, they used to give all that to the hogs. No, this hog won't survive. It's so delicious. And when you leave a handle on it, so much easier to eat. And remember, all this can be done outside on the grill, so you can keep it all right there. But your guest at Labor Day and your family will love this. So love and best dishes. Y'all try not to work too hard on Labor Day. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.